Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Tesla owner in 2025 and you're pulling your hair out because the Tesla app just won't cooperate, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'm diving into 25 practical fixes to get that app working like a charm. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or not connecting to your vehicle, these steps are straightforward and effective, based on the latest updates for 2025. Let's jump right in. First off, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. In 2025, with all the smart tech around, a weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is often the culprit. Make sure you're on a stable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if that resolves it. Next, update your Tesla app. Head to your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and look for any available updates. Tesla frequently rolls out patches for bugs, especially with their advanced AI integrations now. Moving on, restart your device. It's a simple trick, but powering off your phone or tablet for 30 seconds and turning it back on can clear temporary glitches. Then, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offloading the app and reinstalling it usually does the trick. It's quick and gets rid of any corrupted files. Another key step. Log out of the app and log back in. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication issues, which are common with Tesla's enhanced security features in 2025. Don't forget to check for vehicle software updates through the app or your car's dashboard. Outdated firmware might be causing the conflict. If you're still stuck, ensure your Tesla account is active and that there are no payment or subscription issues tied to it. For more advanced troubleshooting, try resetting your network settings on your device, but be cautious as this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Lastly, if none of these work, reach out to Tesla support via their 24/7 chat or phone line. They're super helpful with the latest diagnostics tools. There you have it, folks, 25 easy ways to fix the Tesla app not working in 2025. Give these a shot, and you should be back in control of your ride in no time. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.